Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G73 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on About Phone. After that, select Device Name section and type in wherever you wish to. Finally, to save your changes, click on OK and then select OK in Device Name pop-up about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!